Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to OG video update today. And it got the attention. I was looking at some coins to trade yesterday, and OG was among the coins that was making a strong buying signal, and I didn't actually expect that it's going to go up today, but it did actually went up today, and that's pretty crazy. We've seen the coin literally pushing from nearly $2 all the way to $13. Pretty huge. Okay, it's attractive, but I think the reason why I'm making this video is to tell you that entering at this point, maybe there are newbies, and we've been there. Okay, I've been there. When I was a beginner, I used to think that something is moving up, it's a good idea to buy. But it was a good idea to buy maybe somewhere here, because that's like a continuation called as Three White Soldiers. So that was pretty good. If I show you the volume was also amazing on right over there. You can see that the smart money was buying, the volume was there, the candles were there. That was pretty amazing. Okay, and I don't know, for some certain reason it was going up, and this is like a fan token that is going to the upside. I was looking at other fan token as well, Chili's being one of them, and Chili's was looking good. Manchester City was also moving up. Manchester City, I don't know why the fan tokens are suddenly booming at the moment, but okay, that's something else. But at the moment, you got a candle combined called bearish engulfing, and this is a reversal candlestick. Just like as I showed you, this is a continuation with three green candles back to back. But when you have a green and a red, this is a simple candle for the reversal and to go down. Invalidation of this candle is going to happen if the prices cross above here, then you don't have reason to go down. But if it only happens, okay? Let's go into the 1 hour time frame. Now the 1 hour time frame, or maybe even the 15 minutes time frame, because the 15 minutes time frame has another information, and I saw this being a double top. Okay, so you do have a double top right now, and you broke out of the double top. So the technical target is probably even met, and it went from the top here to the bottom right there. And yeah, I think the target was actually met. So I was looking at this earlier, and this is where the target was, down to 9.66. and it's already down, and actually didn't even go to 13. It went to nearly $15, and it's down at 9.677. And maybe some people are burning at the moment. Someone who bought here is going to be actually facing some losses, and maybe the video is a little bit late, but anyway, I just found the time to do it right now. And from this rally to the upside, it's already 35% down. And I think normally these coins like to retrace 68%. And if we talk about 68% retracement, which is the move to 0.618, what is it going to be? I think you might be even looking for a retracement all the way down to $5. Normally they do this, because I've seen this for many years already, that's exactly what they try to do. So bringing in the EMAs, you do have the 10 as your support, but if you try to fizzle below the 10, you go to the 20, and then you go to visit the 55. I probably think that personally, it was holding the 10 for quite a while, but after this move up, you might end up visiting this EMA down here somewhere at that point. So be very careful. If you have profits, it's recommended that you take your profits, and I don't really recommend anyone to buy it. It's still up to you what you want to do. No financial advice. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.